If websites aren't loading on your Windows computer and you keep getting errors like this site can't be reached or pages just spinning forever, don't panic. It usually comes down to one of the 5 common issues that I'm going to be talking about in today's video, and I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot those issues as well. If you enjoy fast, quick tech tips and how-to videos related to your technology and devices, make sure to drop down below, hit that like and subscribe for more. Okay, fix number 1 is to check our internet. First, let's make sure the problem is not our connection to the internet. Let's open Google, let's open YouTube, other random websites, and see if those work. If nothing's loading, well, we know that our connection to the internet is the problem. If some of them load, but specific ones don't, it's probably another issue. We can try to restart our router, turn our Wi-Fi back on and off, and then run Windows Network Troubleshooting, which is built in. Fix number 2, try another browser. Sometimes the issue is just your browser. If Chrome isn't loading pages, try it in Edge or Firefox. Also refresh the pages or fully close and reopen your browser. Sometimes that can do it. This will tell you quickly if the issue is related to the website or your browser. It could be system-wide. It could be the specific browser no longer works with that website. It could be a lot of things, but trying other browsers helps us narrow down the problem. While we're on the subject of browsers, let's go ahead and clear our browser cache. This is fix number 3. Corrupted cache files can stop websites from loading properly. In your browser, click the 3 dots or lines in the top right to go to your menu, choose Settings, Privacy and Security, and clear your browsing data. Make sure to choose Cached Images and Files, and then restart your browser. Fix number 4 is to check if the website is down. That's right, sometimes it's not you, it's them actually. It's not your computer, it's on the other end. The website itself could be down, so try opening the same website from your phone, a tablet, or another device. If it works there, well, then you know the website's fine, and it is in fact your computer. You can also use websites like Down Detector to see if this is widespread and if other people are having issues. If it's down everywhere, all you can really do is wait. Now, fix number 5 is the best fix and the most effective fix in the list. We are going to be changing the DNS settings. Bad DNS settings can stop websites from loading, even when your internet works. Here's how to change it. Open your control panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right-click your connection in the list, go to Properties, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, or right-click and go to Properties, set DNS to Preferred 8.8.8.8, like I did here, and then alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Click OK, and then go test it again. Many times, this will fix the issue. Now, if you've tried every single fix that I showed in this video and you're still having the problem, that means the issue is probably much deeper and it's time to get some expert help. Please reach out to us here at MyComputerWorks. The number's down in the description. Beginning of the video, end of the video, we'd be happy to help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one.